Teabag Lifestyle, the young man that the world is talking about. Hardworking, resilient, jovial, fun person to be around. Welcome back to the channel. Just a Thought, the place where we celebrate resilience, culture, and everyday heroes who inspire us all. Today we are diving deep into the story of a man who has become a beloved figure not only on YouTube but also in his community. If you've been a fan of down-to-earth family vlogs, real Jamaican living, and a touch of humor and hard work, then you have probably come across the name Teabag. Let's start with the channel that gave us a window into his world, Teabag Lifestyle. This is more than just a YouTube channel. With over 22,000 subscribers and more than 560 videos, this channel showcases what true Jamaican family life looks like. It's raw, it's real, and full of love. From beach cookouts to river adventures, storm prep to breadfruit picking, the videos give us not just entertainment, but a slice of Caribbean life that feels authentic and refreshing. Whether it's an epic family reunion at the beach, a casual drive to the river with Moya, or live pep talk stream from the family yard, Teabag Lifestyle's content is grounded in truth and community. It's a reflection of everyday people doing extraordinary things with joy and togetherness. The videos have racked up thousands of views, with some hitting up to 10,000 within days, proving that people are craving this kind of realness. But one name consistently stands out in these uploads: Teabag. So, who is Teabag? Teabag is a prominent figure on the Teabag Lifestyle channel and a respected member of the Colaz Smith TV team. But he is more than just a familiar face in the vlogs. He is the very heartbeat of the operation. He is hardworking, he is skilled and multifaceted. He is a welder by profession. Teabags bring craftsmanship to the table. But don't be fooled in thinking he's just about the tools. He's also a gifted cook. And many of the mouth-watering dishes features on the channel have Teabag's special touch. From jerk chicken by the riverside to big pots of meals at the beach, his cooking is more than food, it's fellowship. And if you thought that was all, think again. Teabag is also an avid fisherman, regularly seen casting lines or preparing gears for those serene river scenes. He is someone who isn't afraid to work with his hands, and it shows in everything he does. Beyond his skill, it's Teabag's character that makes him stand out. He is jovial, always quick with a laugh, a joke, or humorous stories. He lightens the mood whether the team is working on a house, preparing for a storm, or simply having Sunday hangout. But make no mistake, behind the joke is a man who is deeply supportive. Within the Colaz Smith TV team, Teabag is known for his loyalty and consistency. He's always there, rain or shine, contributing, engaging, and uplifting those around him. That's what makes him not just a content creator, but a pillar. What makes Teabag even more inspiring is how genuine he is. Nothing about his presence on Teabag Lifestyle feels forced. He's not acting for views. He's simply being himself. And that's exactly what draws people in. In a world where content is often polished and overly curated, Teabag represents something rare. Teabag represents authenticity. He laughs loud, works hard, and loves his people. Whether he's fixing something, flipping fish on a grill, or helping plan the next river run, Teabag's contribution can't be measured in views alone. He is part of the very soul of the Teabag Lifestyle brand. So today, Just a Thought salutes you, Teabag, for showing us that greatness doesn't always come with a title. Sometimes it comes in the form of a man who shows up consistently, who builds, who cooks, who supports, who laughs, who leads from within. You've made a positive impact, not just on YouTube, but on the hearts of those who watch, even in your community. And for that, we say, respect, Teabag. Keep doing what you are doing. If you haven't yet subscribed, my loyal viewers and subscriber, go over to Teabag Lifestyle on YouTube and see Teabag in action. And remember, here on Just a Thought, we believe in giving flowers while people can still smell them. Until next time, stay inspired, stay grounded, and keep on believing. Kindly subscribe to this channel and help us build a movement that believes in uplifting those who are making positive impact on our nation. Also, state in the comments who you would like to see us highlight in upcoming videos. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.